Okay, so now we do part E. Remember, make sure you have done it on your own. Make sure you have done it. Please make sure you have done it. Let's do this part E. Limit as x approaches -4. Now we have of x squared plus 5x plus 4 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4. Pause it and try it on your own. Try it on your own. So the moment I see this, I'm like, okay, first of all, I'm going to try to see if this -4 will take me to 0. And you know what? You can do it by, you try to put your calculator. You say -4 all squared plus 3 by -4 minus 4. What am I going to get? This is 16 plus, this 4 minus is going to be -12 minus 4. This is 16 minus 16, which gives me 0. And oh my, that makes me 0. So I can't substitute. I can't do the substitution method. So what am I going to do here? Well, you are going to have to try to factorize, because we can't simplify. This thing is already expanded. So we can't expand and simplify. We can't rationalize. There's no square root sign on the top here. So therefore, we are going to have to do the factorization. So it's going to be the limit as x approaches 4. The limit as x approaches -4, rather. Now let's factorize the top here. How do I factorize this top? So I'm going to take 4. I put the factors of 4, which is 1 and 4. Okay, they must multiply to give me 4 and add to give me 5. Yes, they do that. So it's 1 and 4. So it'll be x plus 1 and x plus 4 for this one. Okay. Now we take here, we take this -4, we put it on our t. -4, we put the factors of 4 itself, which is 1 and 4 and 2 and 2, right? Now, what are we going to have? This is negative, so that means the signs are different. 1 and 4, they'll have different signs. 2 and 2 have different signs. We come and check here. The middle guy is positive. So it means the bigger one is going to be positive like this. This will give me 0 when I add, so it's out. 1 minus 4. Well, here, the bigger one is positive, sorry. So that means the bigger one should be positive. The smaller one becomes negative like this. So in here, whatever, because both of them are the same size, so we can just put negative like this. They'll give me 0, so they're out. 4 minus 1, will it give me 3? Yes. And will it multiply to give me -4? Yes. So the answer would be, we have x plus 4 and x minus 1. So it'll be over x minus 1 multiplying x plus 4. Like this, okay? Like that. Okay, so now, what are we going to have? Well, we are going to have x plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel. Okay, this is 1 and 1. So what would we have? This is going to be the limit as x goes to -4 of x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now, what are we going to do? When it's like this, we try to substitute. When we have a rational function, but we try to substitute. -4 goes where x is. Will I get 0? No, I won't. So let's substitute. So this is going to be -4 plus 1. Wherever there's x, we're now putting -4 over -4 minus 1. This is going to be -3 over -5. Okay? And this is going to be, since negative and negative will cancel out the negatives, this is going to be 3 over 5. And here is going to be our final solution for this one. And we are done. Now we're going to go to part F in the next video. Goodbye for now.